Unlocking your voicemail, online versus phone.
Hello, folks. Today we're going to help you answer an important question. Can I reset my voicemail password online, or do I need to do it over the phone? Voicemail passwords are key for maintaining your privacy and security, so it's important to know how to manage them.
Can I reset my voicemail password online?
This largely depends on your service provider. Most major phone companies allow users to reset their voicemail passwords online. This usually involves logging into your account, locating the voicemail settings, and choosing the option to change or reset the password. It's a straightforward process, provided you know your account credentials and have access to your account.
What if I can't do it online? Can I do it over the phone?
If your service provider doesn't have an online option, or if you're having trouble with the online process, you can typically reset your voicemail password over the phone. This usually involves calling a specific number provided by your phone company, often it's *611, and following the automated prompts. You may also reach out to customer service for assistance. Just remember, they will need to confirm your identity before allowing any changes.
What are some general tips for managing my voicemail password?
Whether you're resetting your password online or over the phone, there are a few best practices to keep in mind. Regularly update your password. This helps maintain security and prevents unauthorized access. Use a strong password. It should be something hard for others to guess but easy for you to remember. Don't share your password. Your voicemail is personal. Keep it that way. In conclusion, resetting your voicemail password can typically be done either online or over the phone, depending on your service provider's options and your personal preference. We hope this video has been helpful in answering your question, and remember, always prioritize your privacy and security when dealing with passwords.